Today, I want to talk about the way Biz2Credit is partnering with banks and non-banks to help them in digitizing their lending operations.
So Rohit, there's been a lot of big news recently about Biz2Credit and some of our banking partners. Tell us a little bit about what's come out.
I think the 2 or 3 big news has been one, our partnership with the HSBC, where we launched our digital lending platform in Canada, which is first of its kind, where we are doing a straight through processing. Then the other one is with the Popular Bank here in US, where we are offering both unsecured and secured lending products, and we are again doing it in a fully digital environment. And the idea always was to provide an omni-channel presence, which anybody walking into a Popular branch, going online, sitting with their relationship manager can have access to both unsecured and secured products, and they don't have to do a lot of paperwork for that.
What did we learn from each of those experiences as a company and as a technology provider?
I would say the key learning was that there was a big misconception in the market that banks of size of HSBC will have a very hard time in going digital. What is starting to happen now with this whole HSBC partnership and the successful launch is that myth has been broken. Now that also means that while this is a great opportunity for banks, but it's also a great threat, because nobody expected a bank of size of a HSBC to move so fast. And now that they are moving so fast, every other bank will have to match their speed. So Biz2Credit Platform being used by Popular Bank shows that a bank with great heritage and a great legacy can now transform itself into a digital powerhouse at a great speed and at a very low cost.
What's your message to the banking industry as they gather together at the American Banker Small Business Conference?
So American Banker Small Business Conference is one of those conferences where it's a very relevant conference for us, and I think most of the banks and the bankers who are participating there need to realize that there is an inflection point that we are reaching now. Banks have to go digital, they have to go on cloud, and we're expecting that 2019 or 2020 will be much slower years for the economy. And that clearly means that banks need to go digital faster because they can cut their costs, they can become more efficient. And like any other business which has a large retail footprint, they need to be worried that if they don't change themselves, then they can meet the same fate as the retailers are facing today. So I would say Biz2Credit has built a tremendous amount of momentum right now, both in our marketplace lending business as well as in our partnership business. They're feeding into each other. At the same point of time, we are continuously investing a lot of money in data analytics, machine learning, improving our technology every single day. My take is that the FinTech revolution is gathering a lot of pace and momentum. As Gartner says, 4 out of 5 banks will go out of business by 2030. The recent announcements that Biz2Credit have made clearly shows that we are at heart of driving this revolution.